Welcome. Today, we're diving into the seamless process of applying for a Dubai Visitor Visa online in 2025. First, ensure you have a valid passport with a minimum of 6 months before expiry. Next, gather the necessary documents, a recent photo, flight itinerary, and accommodation details. Now, head to the official visa website. Make sure it's the authenticated government portal. Fill out the online application form carefully. Double-check all details for accuracy. Finally, pay the visa fee securely online. Keep your confirmation for tracking. Remember to apply well in advance. Processing times can vary, so be prepared. If you encounter issues, reach out to customer support for assistance. Lastly, keep track of your application status through the official portal. And that's it. Enjoy your amazing journey in Dubai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.